Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the boy name generator tool to generate or come up with boy name ideas. Right, so if you're gonna have a baby boy and you want some help with naming the boy, this is a free tool we have built called boy name generator. You can access it by going to the URL boynamegenerator.com. I will also link the tool in the description below so you can check it out. And it's a really simple tool, but it's really useful to generate baby boy names. And as you can see, we have a very big database of baby boy names, and you have three options to generate baby boys. First, if you want that name to start with a letter, so let's say A, then you can add that here, or you can leave this empty and it will generate names that start with any letter. Then you can also set whether you want a short name like three letters or like a long name like 6 letters, for instance. And then you have the option to select the nationality of the names. So if you want an American sounding name, you can select American, but you can also select African, French, German, Indian, Japanese, or Russian. And once you have selected these settings to come up with baby boy names, all you have to do is click on generate names here, and the tool will come up with a couple of names you can use, a couple of name ideas. If you do not like that, you can of course change the setting and generate new names for your baby boy. By the way, we also have a girl name generator tool and a baby boy and a baby name generator tool. I will also link those in the description as well, and here as well in the website. As I mentioned, this is a completely free tool. So if you have any idea on how we can further improve the tool, you can leave the comments in the description below for that. And if you want to contribute to the development of this tool, you can also donate. For that, we will add the donate button here somewhere, so you can help us further develop this tool, and you can show your appreciation if you found a good name with this boy name generator. But all in all, this is how you can use the boy name generator tool at boynamegenerator.com to come up with good boy names for your baby.